this is the trick to find adjoint of a 3-degree matrix, right? So the trick is this: we have to select the first two and shift it here, right? So I will write it, right? 2 3 minus 2 minus 2 0 1. So we have to copy it as it is here. So it's 1 minus 1 0. So here I will write 1 minus 1 0, and here 2 3 minus 2. And now what we have to do, this first two rows we have to shift it here as it is, right? So 1 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 1 3 0 minus 1 3. Now what we have to do is we have to cancel it, right? And now we have to draw a matrix, right? And the elements now will be selected likewise, I will say. Now we have to first select these two, and we have to write here the determinant value of this minor, right? 3 minus 2 0 1. Now select this minor, and this will come here. We will select column wise the minors and arrange it in the adjoint matrix in row wise, right? So here it will come as minus 2 2 1 minus 2. Now select this, so here it will come 2 minus 2 3 0, right? So here you can see it is 3 minus 2 0 1. We have written it here. And minus 2 1 2 minus 2, this we have written it here. And 2 minus 2 3 0, we have written it here, right? And now what we have to select is for this row. Remember, we have to go in the adjoint matrix row wise and select from this arrangement column wise. So now we will select this time this 0 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0, and we will draw the minor here. So it would be 0 minus 1 1 and 0, right? And now select this, so it would be 1 0 minus 2 1. Now select this, so it would be minus 2 1 0 minus 1, right? Now for selecting for this row, take this, it would be minus 1 3 0 minus 2. Take this, it would be 0 1 minus 2 2. And take this, it would be 1 2 and minus 1 3, right? Now we can easily solve it also. It would become 3. It would become 4 minus 2, it's 2. It would become 6. It would become 1. It would become 3. It would become 2. It would become 2. It would become 2. And this would also become 3 plus 2, it's 5, I think. So let's check it if it is correct. Okay, here it is not given. So this is the adjoint matrix we have got, right? So I will take another example also. So here it is another example. As you can see, if A is equal to this, find adjoint A. And we know the traditional method, right? We will find the minors, right? M11, M12, M3 of every element. We will find the minors, and then we would find the cofactors, right? This is the traditional method, and by the cofactor we will form the cofactor matrix, and then we will transpose it to become the adjoint matrix, right? So this is a long method, so we can see the answer, right? And now we will solve this using the trick and see if the answer matches. So right, what we will do, we will write the matrix once, minus 3 minus 1 2 3. Now these two rows to shift here, 1 2 minus 1 1 1 2. These two rows to shift here, 1 1 1 1 1, right, and 2 1 minus 3 2 1, right. And now we will cut this. Now we will select likewise. So the right, so the what you say adjoint matrix would become, right, here we will draw the 1 minus 3 2 3, and remember we have to select column wise, arrange row wise. So now this, so 2 3 1 1, now this 1 1 1 minus 3, right. And let's now solve it directly. We don't have to write like this always. We can directly solve and find the adjoint. So what we will do, in this row we will select this. So 3 minus 6, it would be minus 3. Now we will select this, so it would be 3 plus 1, it would be 4, and this would be 2 plus 3, it would be 5, right. Now for this, select this further, so 4 plus 1, it's 5. Now this 1 minus 2, it's sorry minus 1, no, it is minus 1 minus 2, it's minus 3, and 1 minus 2, it's minus 1, right. So the adjoint would become 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, minus plus, it would become 9, and 2 minus 3, it would become minus 1, minus 3 minus 1, it would become minus 4. So right, we have got it, right. This we have got using trick adjoint, right. Now we will match it. Remember 9 minus 3 5. Okay, here it is the answer. 9 minus 3 5, minus 1 4 minus 3, okay, minus 1 4 minus 3, and minus 4 5 1, minus 4 5, oh yes minus 1, yes, it's correct. So by this way we can apply the trick.